Hey Baddie Besties, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Rhonda. We do subscription box unboxings here. Today we have Women's Collective box, which I'm really excited about. The Curly Queen kit, which if you have curly hair, you're going to want to stick around for. And the Adore box. So, let's get started. So, this is the Women's Collective fall box. And Women's Collective is about $55 a quarter. If you pay for the year up front, it's $200 for the year. I do believe you do have to go and actually email them to cancel. I don't think you can just go on the website and do that. 5% of all of the proceeds go to helping other female entrepreneurs succeed. So everything in the box is from a female-owned small business. So let's see what's in here. I have absolutely no idea. Super excited to check it out. They always do a super cute design. Love all of the women on this box. One of the things that I love about Women's Collective is that Rochelle, who owns the subscription box business here, always sends a handwritten note. So it says, where women from all walks of life unite to rise and shine together. Thank you for your support. I love having you be part of the sisterhood. Rochelle. Super sweet lady. Apparently now they have a Women's Collective marketplace. Subscribers get 15% off all their marketplace purchases with the code Sisterhood15. That's cool. And it also comes with this cute little book that kind of tells you where each item comes from, who the business is, so you can continue to order if you would like to. Very cute. Cute little sticker. Okay. Right on top, I see a little sticker. I love that they send the little stickers. Still need to create my little sticker collection. Always surround yourself with inspiration. Let me see, is this, yeah, it's just like a regular notebook, college rule writing, rough house print shop. Very cute, love it. Let's see here. Cocoa vanilla coconut. What is this? We've got a cocoa vanilla coconut whipped body butter. Cute. This is a whipped sugar scrub by Cocoa. So I guess the brand for both of these is Cocoa. Love it. Oh, a cute little coffee mug. Empowered women. Empower women. Ocean, O-C-E-A-N-N-E, Ocean. Very nicely goes with the box design. We've got a serum by East 29th with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, niacinamide, and lemon rind extract. So let's check out the inside here. Got the dropper, love that. Like the design, very sleek. I like that they always put everything on top too. So like if you get these boxes, you know that normally it's all anywhere in there, but Women's Collective always puts it on top, which is nice. You don't have to go digging, wondering if there's anything else that you missed. This is a matcha detoxifying clay mask. Your perfect matcha. Very cute. Oh, look at that. Ooh, there's a bunch of individual like drink mixes. That's neat. All right, well, I guess I can easily put a couple of these in the giveaway box. When we get to 100 subscribers, we are going to do a giveaway. Looks like we have one more thing in the box here. The RV pottery. It looks like a little trinket tray. Put your jewelry in there. It's a nice theme for a beach bathroom maybe. Something along those lines. If you know anything about serums, you know that they're never cheaper than like $30 for a size like this. So I think that they definitely exceeded the amount of what the box costs. I definitely think it's worth it because you are supporting small businesses owned by women. So you really can't go wrong, right? So it looks like I was wrong. This is, well, you can still use it as a trinket tray, obviously, but it was meant to be a spoon rest, so that's good to know, right? So I'm just checking out this book a little bit. Looks like they tell you who made it, and they do have the retail values in here. Yeah, I was right. This is a retail value of $67. But I'm not going to go over the retail value of the other things because a lot of times I feel like, what is the value to you? What would it be worth to you? What would you pay for it? And I think that that matters a lot when you're getting into these boxes. So you let me know, did you think it was worth $55? I do, just because of, if nothing else, the donation factor, the fact that you're supporting women-owned businesses. Next up, we have the Curly Queen kit, which I'm really excited about because when I looked it up, it follows the Curly Girl method. And you may or may not notice how my curls fall as time goes on, but if you have curly hair, wavy hair, anything like that, that's just not straight hair, you probably should just look up Curly Girl method and see what you can find out. It tells you how to style your hair depending on the type of curl you have, the porosity of your hair, what type of products you should use depending on what type of curl you have. So anyway, really excited about this. I have written down that it's $15 a month, but I feel like it might be $30 a month, and maybe I got a deal, but maybe it is only $15 a month because I have here that it's $179 for the year. So they send you 5 to 10 hair products, skincare, tools, and accessories. They ship worldwide, and it is all Curly Girl approved products, and they are cruelty free. So by Curly Girl approved, they are referring to the Curly Girl method. It says 5 to 10 hair products, but it looks like I only got 3. So I don't know what that's about. This is with keratin, Proclaim Professional and Care Strengthening Intense Hair Mask. It does say it is paraben free, mineral oil free, and petrolatum free. I was trying to see if these are actually Curly Girl method approved, because on the front it only says paraben free. Usually if it's a Curly Girl method, it says paraben free, phthalate free, sorbate free, and a couple of other things. And I'm not seeing any of those things in the ingredients, but I think I'm gonna have to look in my Curly Girl method book to see if this is actually Curly Girl approved. But moving on, this is the with coconut oil Proclaim Professional. Okay, so all of these products are by Proclaim Professional and Care. So this is the coconut oil split end mender. Helps repair and revitalize dry, damaged hair and moisturize and shine. Adds moisture and shine. And this is the Proclaim Professional and Care Olive Edge Gel. Strong hold with no flaking or greasy residue. Adds shine and moisture, free of alcohol, mineral oil, or petroleum. So if you do follow the Curly Girl method, maybe you can tell me if Proclaim is on the list. I've never heard of this brand, but I will be checking it out. I'm not very happy right now. Maybe there's more than one type of box you can get, but when it advertises 5 to 10 products and you get 3, you're kind of like, what? All right, and last on the list is the Adore box, which is a beauty and lifestyle box. You're supposed to get 4 to 10 items or 4 to 7 items, depending on whether you got the $12 a month box or the $22 a month box. You can also choose a box for $39.17 every quarter. So they can have clothing, accessories, makeup, fragrance, jewelry, edibles, houseware, etc. Wow, that is a really wide variety for such a small box. And every box I've gotten is about this size. So let's see what's in here. This is the September Adore box. Okay, I'll go over, this is a price list. So I'll go over that as we go. That's interesting. This is the Mushroom Makeup Sponge. I'm going to hold it like this so you can see. Mushroom Makeup Sponge with case, full size, $19.99. Can use wet or dry, great for applying creams or foundation for smooth, beautiful application. Okay, I'll use that. Okay, this pen is adorable. It is the Rose Gold Crown Pen, which you can tell that it has a little crown on it. $9.99. It says you're a queen, write like one. That's pretty cute. I like that. So it's a little bit more variety. I think last time, if I remember correctly, it was mostly makeup. This is the silicone scrubber, nothing special, $9.99. Clean your makeup brushes or as a dish scrubber, won't smell or mold like regular sponges. Okay, I've actually been wanting to buy one of these for the makeup brush to clean it. I've been using my hands. So we have Vitter Energy Mint sample size. The full size tin is $4.99. Have a mint after lunch and get that boost of energy to help you keep going throughout the day. I'm going to have to check that out and let you guys know if it works. And a little Cosmo notepad. So it looks like the moon. It's just your regular kind of notepad. It's a $3 value, super cute kawaii Cosmos notepad. Write your notes on a planet. And the last thing in here, which is pretty cool, are blue light blocking glasses for $19.99. Block the blue light from screens, overheads, lights, etc. Reduces glare, fatigue, eye strain. Non-prescription lenses available on Amazon. They're super light, like super, super light. They actually they feel like they would just break on you. But I will probably put these, I think I just got another pair from another box. So I'll probably put these in the giveaway or present to somebody. But overall, I like this Adore box more than the other Adore boxes that I've gotten because it's not just makeup. And I mean, for the price, I think it's a good deal. You never know what you might get in these boxes. That was our 3 boxes for the day. I did like Women's Collective in the Adore box. I'm really disappointed in the Curly Queen kit. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if there's any boxes that you would like to see on the channel down below. And you guys have a great night. Bye.